Hi, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to tell you about an awesome mobile app called TRANSCRIBE. To begin with, go to the Play Store and look for the app TRANSCRIBE. Download it, install it, and open it. Here you will find a presentation, easy to understand and easy to use. We are going to allow it to use the microphone. In the lower left section, we can change the settings of the app, which are pretty useful when we start to use it. Here we can change the size of the letter in your transcript from voice to text. You can enable the option Save to keep your transcript for a maximum of 3 days. In the section More, we're going to add languages that we need. Choose the second language from the list of options. You can also change the main language based on your needs or depending on your mother tongue. Go to the section Advanced Options and enable these two options. At the bottom, you will find the icons of keyboard, pause, main and secondary language. We're going to try the app and its functions. Turn off the pause button and turn your voice into text. These have been some of the features that this mobile app has. Also remember that something can be used for something additional than its original purpose. Estas han sido algunas de las características que tiene esta aplicación. Recuerda siempre que algo puede ser utilizado para algo más que su propósito original. The keyboard can be useful to take notes. Nevertheless, we are not going to use the keyboard for now since we're working with the main functions of this app. When you leave or close the app, your transcript will remain there for 3 days. If you want to delete the content, choose Delete History. Thanks for watching. I hope that you have liked this app. Enjoy learning.